Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix we don't recognize your device on Facebook problem. So one of the ways that this is happening to you probably because you logged in from another device. So what you need to do in order to get on the Facebook account, your Facebook account, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your old device or your old phone, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just confirm that you want or you allowed this device to be logged in. So this is like another layer of security that Facebook provides that allows you to keep in control with your account or keep control of your account, and basically you will allow it from your old device like phone or tablet, whatever it is, right? And afterwards you're gonna be or the problem should be fixed. If it doesn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just double check from your connection. If your connection is kind of weak, just go ahead and switch to your cellular data if it helps. And another way to fix that problem, go back to your screen and go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and start looking for Facebook right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just double check if the Facebook needs to be updated. Sometimes Facebook algorithm Facebook crashes and all that, so you need to be updated to the latest one so you can have access to all the new features, and that should fix the problem of your IP address or something like that. Let me know in the comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.